Hey y'all, it's T and welcome back to Tea Time. In this video, I'll be bringing you guys along with me to do a little bit of appliance shopping as well as pendant light shopping. We are going to start out at Home Depot. Alright, good morning. We are in Home Depot. We are here to pick out to purchase our fridge, our washer and dryer, and I think we might be getting something else. I'm not sure yet, but anyway, we are here to get those things. And this is one of the ways that you can stretch your money by using promotional offers. I already have a Home Depot credit card, so what I'm going to do is use that to, it was what, 3,000, right? Right, so what I'm going to do is use that to purchase our appliances. This is the refrigerator that we want. Yesterday it was what, 3,000?
Yeah.
Yesterday it was $3,000. The Labor Day sale starts today, so we are already saving $7,000 right now. I mean $700. And I love this fridge. And the bottom, this is the freezer, but if you need extra fridge space, you can convert one of the sides into fridge space and then leave one as the freezer space. I believe it's the right side. It's not labeled on this one, but you can convert it by doing the temperature change. But yes, this is our fridge. Yeah, it's just extra.
Right on time.
Yeah, and we were actually going to buy this yesterday, y'all, and we are saving $700 today on it. So that is the fridge. And these are just some more options that they have. But the reason why I chose this one is because, of course, we got the French door situation, which is always good. And then the bottom, this is what I love about the bottom, is that it allows you to be more organized in your freezer. And like I mentioned before, this side, if you need more fridge space, you can adjust the temperature to turn this into a fridge. Otherwise, it'll stay a freezer on the bottom. But I love the organization of it. Whereas these right here, your stuff is just kind of going to be thrown in there all over the place. There's really no way to like organize your items in the bottom. See that? It's just going to be thrown in there unless you buy some type of separator or something to go on there. But I love my decision, and that's what we're going to stick with. Okay, y'all, this is the washer and dryer pair that I picked. Yesterday they were $10.99. Today they're on sale for $6.98. Another way to save some money. And it's basically the same washer as this one, which is like a whole nother $150 more, but I'm going to go with the lighter color because my cabinets are really dark and I just want some contrast there. So I wanted to come back in here to talk about the major difference in between the two washers. This one, like I said, was $8.48, and I think the one that I purchased was $6.98, so it's a $150 difference. But the only major difference in between the two washers is that this one has like 14 cycles And then the one that I chose has 12 cycles. So you're actually, for the pair, you're actually going to pay $300 for probably 2 cycles that you probably won't even use, and then the color of it. To me, that just was not worth it. So that's why I decided to go with the one that I chose, which is this one right here. And you can see it just has 2 less cycles. Alright, I mean, all we doing is washing clothes. I mean, we not doing nothing spectacular here. We just washing clothes. So this would definitely do. So make sure you compare, you know, models and things like that, because it's basically, the other one is just an upgrade. They added 2 more cycles and then tacked on some more money. And then the other ones are excluded from the discount. As you can see, these are marked down pretty good. And then for the pair, there's an extra $100 discount on this. So yeah, something to think about. Okay, the next store that I am about to go into is a showroom store that was recommended by my home builder. store is located in Columbia, South Carolina. I will post a link in the description box because there are several other locations in North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia. By purchasing my pendant lights from this showroom, I was able to save almost $175. I did check the website today and the pendants are on sale. If you are interested, the link will be posted in the description box.